Now, being a landlord for over 25 years, I find myself doing a lot of repairs and maintenance. This beautiful solid oak floor I put down myself about 19 years ago and it still looks great, but unfortunately it's come apart in places over the years. Now, normally I'd suggest take the skirting boards off either side, clean the gaps between where it's come apart, put some new glue in them, squeeze them all together and it will be fine. However, we can't quite get at it. We've got a full fitted kitchen all the way along there and also a spiral staircase going up that side. So the best option I've got is to fill the gaps in here, and I'm going to use 3C's 2-in-1 smooth finish. The two parts that have to be mixed are in the one reservoir. Squeeze this out using your silicone gun onto a board. Then mix it up using a spatula till you get one consistent colour. Using one of 3C's silicone wipes, wipe down and clean the area you're about to do the repair on. Using a plastic spatula, push down the two part into the gap as tight as you can, making sure you have no air pockets in between. Now, if you have a porous surface, you can mask up the areas around. This will help reduce the amount of sanding that you have to do once it's dry. It can be sanded down in 30 minutes and painted over in 1 hour. It's quick and easy to use on wood, stone or metal. Now it's applied and smoothed off, you can take the masking tape off almost straight away. Then you can give it a quick sanding down to remove any excessive smooth finish that's not required. Now it's dry. The next stage, I'm going to apply some stain on there to darken it up so it blends in with the rest of the wood. Once that's dry, I'll apply a couple of layers of varnish on top. Hopefully I've inspired you to do more repairs. If you're looking for more inspiration, follow us on all social media handles. And if you want to know more about the vast range of products they stock, just check out 3C's website.